there's 4 sections when you're setting up the presentation for a potential renewal rewrite. Now, section number 1 is qualifying. Now, within the qualifying process, your goal is to determine if the payments are the same or did the payments increase. If the payments increased on the renewal, you need to determine why the payments increased. Was it based on any violations, any accidents, or did they make any changes prior to the renewal and that's causing the payment to go up? You also need to determine if they're able to make the renewal payment on that date, simply because if they're not able to make the payment, you shouldn't continue offering a rewrite option. Review the coverages to give the customer an opportunity of reviewing the coverages that they currently have, and you're also going to try to sell more coverages to see if that's something that we could add to the new option if it becomes a potential rewrite. Section number 2, sell the concept of service. Now, number 1, you need to sell the benefit of the department. You need to sell the benefit of the fast lane department, the renewal department. Technically, our goal is to check their system, check their policy, every single renewal to make sure that they have the lowest option. Now, simply by us checking the rate every 6 months or every 12 months, it gives us an opportunity to offer quality service. So sell the idea that not a lot of agencies are actually offering the option of checking the renewals. This is something that we offer as a company because we want to satisfy our customers. We want to give our customers the best service. Now, offering the best service requires to offer the lowest rate. So by us checking every single renewal, it guarantees their rate to be the lowest. Number 3, if we don't have anything lower, you're going to justify the fact that there's no discounts or there's nothing lower within their company or within the rest of the companies that we work with. So number 1, thank them for the opportunity. Number 2, tell them that our goal is to check and confirm the information, not only with their company, simply because we want to find out if there's loyalty or renewal discounts that they qualify for, but also we want to take the time to run the information through our database to see if there's anything lower. Number 3, sell the idea that not a lot of agencies actually take the time to run the information because it may not be profitable for the agent or the agency. But in our case, we're willing to invest a couple minutes to make sure that their payment is the lowest. And unfortunately, based on their situation, they have the lowest option. So justify the fact that even though we don't have anything lower, we do appreciate the time and opportunity that they're giving us. And to keep in mind that we do this to the benefit of every single customer. Section number 4, if we have something more affordable and we could offer a renewal rewrite, then you're going to justify and close the new business. Now, number 1, you're going to offer a loyalty discount as a way of adding value, and you're going to emphasize on the fact that we were able to apply a loyalty discount, which is going to help us save them money. Number 2, you're going to use the renewal payment as a minimum payment, and you're going to sell the idea that the insurance company may require an additional small activation, but we could definitely help them with the renewal payment. So you got to confirm, you got to make sure that they have the renewal payment to date, because if not, we're not going to be able to process the new application. Number 3, you're going to sell the idea that investing on a couple dollars more to open up a new policy is going to help them save money within the long run. So if we have a monthly payment that's lower and they're responsible to pay an additional activation, it's better for them to invest on the activation, but they're taking the benefit of paying a lot less every single month. So once again, sell the idea that investing a couple dollars more on the renewal payment is going to guarantee them to have something more affordable through the course of the year. And number 4, emphasize on the fact that every customer appreciates the fact that we take time to run the information and to help them find something more affordable. That every customer that we're able to help, they leave satisfied simply because not a lot of agencies are willing to run the information, to check every renewal, and to help them save money. So use these factors to qualify, to add value, to justify, or to close a deal.